kidding me? How's it low battery? Welcome to Street Stunning, and today we're taking the Escalade. But I loaded all my tools, at least some of them. Most of them, I guess. But I changed the battery on the skidster. I used it to clean snow, and that day it did fine. But the following day I had to load trucks, and it started sending codes: low voltage, check battery, check alternator. So today I'm gonna attempt on changing the alternator, and I think since I drained the battery, it's probably no good no more. I'm gonna try to jump start it, but if it doesn't work, I'll just have to go get a battery as well. Maybe I should buy the battery. I don't know, we'll see. But we'll tune you in when we get over there. Well, we made it. This was my first time at Caterpillar Wagner. Let me tell you, my experience was not good. I was there for about 2 hours, and they missed like half of my stuff, and I didn't get much. It was just a couple keys, a lock for the back door, and an alternator, and apparently they couldn't get that done right, or you have to have a big company. But as you can see, I'm missing the key right here, or the lock, should I say. So I'm gonna put a new lock. This alternator might be bad, I'm assuming. And so I'm gonna take the battery out, take it home and charge it, and then put the new alternator and see how it goes. Looks like I've been leaking a little bit of antifreeze right here. Might be coming from there. Tighten her up. We should be good. So I put the power, put this right here. I really don't like it. I don't feel like it's going in all the way. It's like not clipping in. This green one clipped in nice. Everything else seems to be okay. I just gotta get this bad boy in. I think she's done. I don't know what else to do. And I could try putting the battery in, but I doubt it's gonna start. Let's try it. See if it'll work. I wish I brought some jumper cables, but I didn't. Apparently forgot. I doubt it's gonna work, but we'll give her a shot. Wow, she started right up. I don't know, I hope it is the alternator. If not, I just wasted $500. So she started. Idle, elevated to increase battery voltage. I don't know if any of you guys know. I don't know. Maybe it's just low. I'm gonna take the battery home and charge it. This much, but the other day my knees were hurting from it being so low. I never realized it was an air seat. All you gotta do is put air. It goes right up. It's too high. Bam. Oh, that's gonna make it so much better. I don't even understand. Wow. Don't I feel smart? Oh yeah. you have it, guys. This thing, put a new alternator. I'm gonna take home the battery and charge it. Hopefully that fixes the problem. Put a new lock, and we're out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Like I said, subscribe. See you guys later.